guys, my name is Jitinder Singh. Welcome to Office Skills. In this video, we will build our spreadsheet. So what we will do is we will prepare a monthly budget over here. We will prepare a little table, an organized table in front of us. So let's just get started over here. So this is the A1 cell. So how we define the name of the cell is we will get the name of the column first, and after which we will have the number of the column. So this is A1. If I click over here, the name of the column is G, which you can see from over here. This is G column, and the number of the row is 11. So we have this G11 cell in front of us, and we can see the name in this name box over here. So this is the E6 column. The column is E, the row is 6. So this is the E6 cell. Let's just get started. So what I will do here is I will type the title of this table, which is monthly budget. So guys, in this column what we will do is we will add all the type of expenses which we have incurred. I will make a title of expenses over here, and after which we will write 3 or 4 types of the basic expenses which we have incurred, and after that we will make a total box over here. So here let me write the expenses. Underneath electricity we will just add type of expenses which are like very basic: food, rent, and let me just add one more like mobile data. And here we will add all of these expenses together. So we have this total option in front of us. So these are the type of expenses which we have incurred, and in this row what we will do is we will write in which month we have incurred all those expenses. So I will write the name of the months in this row. So right now the month which is going is August. So let's just write the last 3 months over here. So let me write May, sorry for that, May, June and July. We will also prepare a total column in here. So what this column will do, it will provide the electricity bill of all of the 3 months combined. So this will add all the electricity bills which we have incurred in these 3 months. So guys, right now we have this basic structure of a monthly budget data in front of us. We have not put any values right now in here. So we will do this in the next video. We will add all the values. We will put in values here first. We'll add all the values. And right now you may be thinking that this does not look very pretty or very fancy. So we will do all of that stuff in the next video. We will make all of these things bold. We also may change the font. We will add some of the colors in it. We will make it look like a table. So this will all be very organized in the next video. Right now what we have done is we have prepared a basic structure in front of us. So what I want you to do is you can also add some more columns. You can add some of more months here. You may also add some more type of expenses which you have incurred. So you might not need to completely follow this pattern over here. You should just know the basic structure and you can prepare a table of your own. So this is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel.